Hello everyone, welcome to Yuk Tutorials, and in this tutorial video we're gonna learn how to hold and how to strum the ukulele. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the video. When you hold your ukulele, make sure the body part of the ukulele must rest between your chest and stomach. Let me show you. This is the body of the ukulele and it should be like this. You have to rest on your chest and stomach. Once you place the ukulele body in between your chest and stomach, then wrap your forearm so that you can strum. And by placing forearm in this way, ukulele gets support. You have to hold it on the body. It has to be support from the back and also from the front. But don't take too much force, just hold it very lightly. The other thing you have to keep in mind while holding the ukulele is the position of the ukulele. The fretboard of the ukulele must be in 45-degree angle, like this. It should not be so and it should not be straight. It should be like this. After this, there is one more thing that you have to keep in mind, that is while playing the chords. Your fingers will switch on the fretboard from one chord to another chord. Make sure the position of the thumb should be in the middle of the fretboard. This is the back part of the fretboard and this thumb finger will in the middle, like this. When you place your thumb on the middle of the fretboard, there will be large space and it will be easy to switch chords. There is different ways to strum the ukulele. The first way of strumming is with using the index finger. Let me show you. Using index finger, you can strum like this. You can do down strum using the nail of the index finger and up strum using the tip of the index finger. As you can see, you have to down strum like this and up strum like this. In the second way, you can just use your thumb. This part of the thumb will use it to up strum and down strum. Down strum will do like this. When you do up strum, you can use a small part of the nail and the side part of the thumb like this. Down strum, up strum. The third way is using both index finger and thumb finger like this. When you do down strum, you have to use your index finger, and when you do up strum, you have to use your thumb finger. The last way is strumming with plectrum. Usually when you strum with plectrum, the sound becomes harsh of the ukulele. So I am not recommending to use plectrum. Plectrum is usually used to strum guitar. This is with using plectrum. When you use plectrum, the sound will be harsh, so I will not recommend plectrum. But if you are comfortable with it, you can use it. Also remember, when you strum, your hand should not be straight. If it is, it will pain. And not too much high. It should be slightly straight. And that's it. I hope this video was useful. If yes, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon near subscribe button to get notification when I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.